Morning everybody. On today's Technical Support Tuesday, I'm going to show you how to, within Mac OS, find any file from the command line. Let's go ahead and get started. First, we're going to go ahead and open up a command line and type in locate. Now you can see here that it is unable to find the default database. So to be able to go ahead and create that, you just copy and paste this command right here, and then go ahead and put in your password. Now if we go ahead and run it again, you'll see that it still gives you the same error. Now the thing is that it can take some time for it to be able to generate this database, so you got to just let it sit for a bit. Now fast forward a little bit in time here, and the database has been created. So now when we go ahead and type in locate something, it actually finds files that contain the word something. Now that concludes today's tutorial, so I hope that you found this informative, and go ahead and smash that like button if you did, and also consider subscribing if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in the next one.